Leardal Medical presents the Leardal Stifneck Select Extrication collar. During this video, we will go over the proper sizing and application of the Stifneck Select Extrication collar. In most cases, spinal immobilization begins by positioning and maintaining the head in a neutral or eyes-forward position without traction. The neutral position is preferred because maximum space within the spinal canal is available when the patient is in neutral alignment. Additionally, it is in this position that a spinal fracture is generally more stable. Instability can be caused by extension, creating an angle greater than 90 degrees, while flexing creates a smaller angle, possibly creating pressure on the cord. This is important because any compression of the cord can cause permanent neurological damage. Neutral positioning must be determined by the rescuers as a guideline. Proper sizing is crucial for good patient care. Adjusting the collar too short may not provide the patient with enough support. Adjusting too tall may hyperextend. With the patient being held in a neutral position, use your fingers to measure the top of the shoulder where the collar will sit, to the bottom of the chin. Use your fingers to match the size to the collar. Align your fingers with the edge of the plastic, not the foam. Select the size closest to your top finger, in this case the regular size. Adjust the chin support to the selected size, and then lock tabs on both sides of the collar. Before applying the collar, hold and flex sharply inward as shown. This will pre-form the collar to ease application. Application is simple if you slide the pre-formed collar up under the chin. This process is completed by positioning the back panel behind the neck and tightening the Velcro loop. While doing this, hold the collar in the corner of the trachea hole. This prevents any possibility of rotation during the tightening the collar. When properly sized and applied, the neutral position is not altered. Always size and adjust the Stifneck Select Extrication collar before you apply it to patients. To assist in proper sizing and adjusting, instructions are moulded into every Stifneck Select Extrication collar. For any additional information on the Stifneck Select Extrication collar, please contact Laerdal or your preferred distributor representative. You can also visit our website at www.laerdal.com.